In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Stremio on a Hisense TV. If you want to start using Stremio on your Hisense TV, the process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your screen without any confusion. To begin, turn on your Hisense TV and go to the main home screen. From there, open the Apps section. This is where you'll find the installed apps on your TV, along with access to the App Store. If your remote has a home button, pressing that will usually take you straight to the correct screen. Once you're in the apps area, open the Google Play Store. On most Hisense TVs that run Google TV or Android TV, this is where you download new apps. Give it a moment to load if it doesn't open instantly. After the Play Store is open, go to the search function. You should see a search bar or a search icon near the top of the screen. Select it so you can begin looking for the app you want to install. This step is important because it helps you quickly find the exact app instead of browsing manually. Now type in Stremio. You can do this with the on-screen keyboard using your remote, or if your remote supports it, you can use voice search to make things faster. Just make sure the spelling is correct so the right app appears in the results. When the search results show up, choose the official Stremio app. Take a quick look at the app name and icon so you know you're selecting the correct listing. This helps avoid downloading the wrong app if there are similar results. Next, open the Stremio app page in the Play Store. This is the app listing page where you can view the install option and confirm that you're on the right app before continuing. From there, select Install. The TV will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. During this step, it's best to wait until the installation finishes completely before pressing anything else. Once the installation is done, select Open to launch Stremio on your Hisense TV. The app should start right away, and from there, you can continue setting it up and using it on your device. And that's it. You've successfully installed Stremio on your Hisense TV. Thanks for watching.